vents have two uses: roof ventilation and soil or mechanical extraction. The Klober profile line tile vents mirror the profile of the tile used on the roof, providing a discrete means of ventilation. Other popular vents in the range for use with large concrete tiles are the Uniline and Universal tile vents, which suit most manufacturers' concrete tiles. All Klober tile vents come with their own install guide, either in leaflet form or on the box. Please check, as different vents have different instructions. For large profile line vents, determine the location of the tile vent on the underlay and star cut open the underlay to the recommended size. Fold back the underlay flaps, fix top flap to top side of batten above, insert the vent ensuring the fixing lug is under the adjacent roof tile. The outlet on the underside of Klober's tile vents is shaped to produce a given airflow for ventilation needs, which often results in having to use an adapter and flexi pipe from the range when connecting to a means of extract. Pipe sealing collars along with Klober's TR tape can also be used to provide a solution for creating an air and wind-tight seal around pipes which pass through the roof. Klober offers a colour matching service for all tile vents in their range, so no matter what type of tile vent you need, you can be certain it will blend in seamlessly with the roof finish. This is particularly popular with the uniplane tile vents, with there being a wide range of colours and finishes. All colour matched tile vents are made to order, whilst granulation is available in brown, antique red and Cotswold colours.